I'm Carlo and welcome to another episode of me reviewing everything. In today's episode, we're going to review and unbox this JOBY GORILLAPOD 3K. Yes, this one. Let's unbox! Okay, let's unbox this GORILLAPOD. Well, it is the newest edition of the JOBY GORILLAPOD and it is now called the JOBY 3K. Why 3K? Because it can hold up to 3 kilos of weight. What is a JOBY GORILLAPOD? Basically, a JOBY GORILLAPOD is a tripod, is a compact tripod with flexible legs used for SLRs and mirrorless. So let's unbox this. This is the JOBY. It has these legs, ball head, and some levering bubble. Alright, so first look, it is made of plastic. Though the material is made of plastic, it feels strong. Let's see if we can remove the ball. Oh, you know, it has this levering ball head and can do this up to 90 degrees. Actually, you can also detach this ball head. So let's detach it. Yun. Okay, this is how it looks without the ball head, and these are the legs. Okay, the good parts with this kind of tripod, first, it's so light. And it is travel friendly because you can just simply put it inside your camera bag or your travel bag and it won't consume that much space. And it is flexible and adaptable and rigid and stable. We say flexible because you can flex the legs. This is the best part of the Gorilla. So that's the JOBY. So what are the bad parts now? Well, when you are setting up this tripod, it must be first secured. The balancing and positioning of the legs, must be perfectly aligned, lest it falls together with your camera. So you have to secure it first. Second, in time, these legs get saggy and it loses the grip or the strength like this with the passage of time and use. So why I bought it? Because first, generally, I'm going to use it for vlogging. This JOBY GORILLAPOD will be used as my main vlogging stick, and you can also use it as a weapon. If someone snatch your camera, use this and then throw them like this to them. Okay? It is very light. And lastly, it is good for any environment. You can just basically wrap it around anything that is a straight line, a straight bar, or a branch of tree. So if you are planning to buy a very compact and light tripod that you will use for traveling purposes, for vlogging, I recommend buying this JOBY tripod. It costs around 4,000 here in the Philippines. It is a good investment. It is a very light and good tripod. I hope you enjoyed my video. Sabay mukha ko. Yan. Here is my face. You can smash this face and hit that like button and subscribe. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next episode.